Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Claude Code with the noBGP MCP server. For a complete list of Claude Code commands, you can go to the Claude Code documentation webpage where they list everything out. Overall, the setup process is similar to setting up the Claude Desktop integration with the noBGP MCP server. So if you're familiar with that, the process will be the same. If you're not familiar with that, there is a separate video on how to set up Claude Desktop or the Claude Web UI with the noBGP MCP server. For my local terminal on my Mac, this also works on Windows or Linux. You just need to run the MCP edition prompt. So basically this is just adding Claude MCP server. It's an HTTP server. It's got a name of noBGP. Here's the URL to the MCP server, and I'm going to give it access to everything that my user has access to. If you don't have this scope parameter at the end, it will just be giving Claude access to the folder you run the command in. So I'm going to run this, and basically it says, great, you're done. You've added it to the list. And then if I go and do a Claude MCP list, so the status is that the authentication is still needed, so I'm going to launch Claude. And then I'm going to do a /MCP. And it's basically going to give me the instructions I need. Okay, so I hit enter. I authenticate. So it actually opened up a browser session with that URL. I'm already logged in on my browser to my noBGP account. If not, you have to log in. So authentication is successful. And then if I go back, it says it's here. So now if I MCP, it says it's connected. List my noBGP networks and nodes. So I would give it a basic command to just see if it's actually connected or not. Whenever you use the MCP tools, it will give you the questions on whether you want to allow it, to ask again for this folder, things like that. So we'll just say yes. Now Claude Code is talking to the MCP server, getting your information. Here's all of my information. So it found a network called default networks. Gives you the network ID. Here are the nodes that are on it and their status, online, services that are shared. Great, so I have Claude Code connected to my noBGP MCP server with a few commands and a simple authentication to your browser. These steps will also work if you are using Gemini CLI. You just replace the Claude commands with Gemini commands. Literally just replace the word Claude with Gemini and all the commands are the same, and it will work for you there as well. Let us know what projects you're working on, share in the comments, and have a great day.